ADHD, as well as other neurobehavioral disorders, are on the rise. Besides academic and behavioral problems, children with ADHD are at higher risk for crime and substance abuse. Something is drastically wrong here. Current forms of healthcare are obviously not getting the job done. Hi, I'm Dr. Roy Picard, and in today's message, I'm going to talk about how a special program that I've developed helps those with ADHD, learning disorders, autism, Tourette's, and other neurobehavioral disorders. This program allows children to function to a higher level physically, mentally, academically, socially, as well as behaviorally. I work with these children to make physical, functional, and structural changes to the brain to allow your child to reach their optimal level of performance. To give you some background on myself, my office is located in Shelby Township, Michigan, on Van Dyke Road between 23 and 24 Mile Road, across from Arena Bridal and Nietzsche's Market. I'm in the Devon Center building in suite number 312. My degree is in chiropractic, but what I do is above and beyond traditional chiropractic care. I have extensive postgraduate training in chiropractic neurology, applied kinesiology, functional endocrinology, nutrition, and childhood developmental disorders. I'm board eligible in chiropractic neurology, and I'm a certified DAN doctor through the Autism Research Institute. I've been a past speaker at the CHAD of Eastern, Wayne, and Macomb counties of Michigan. There are many different types of programs offered for these children. Some are based upon tutoring, improving a child's coordination, improving a child's body's ability to sense things either through vision, touch, or sound therapy. There are different diet programs available and different ways to assess nutritional needs. However, what I want you to understand is that all of these can be helpful, but they do not address a very important factor. Children with ADHD, as well as autism, Aspergers, learning disorders, and other neurobehavioral disorders, will have an imbalance in one side of the brain compared to the other. This is the primary difference between my program and the other forms of treatment available for those with ADHD. If your child has an imbalance, or what is known as a functional disconnection syndrome, and it is not addressed, the child will not and cannot perform at their optimal level. As a result of my extensive postgraduate training and experience with working with these children, I have developed a program which uses a multimodal approach to improve the day-to-day performance of these children. This program looks at secondary causes and evaluates these needs, while also concentrating on brain imbalance, or what we refer to as the functional disconnection syndrome, which is the key in helping these children. To determine specific types of care necessary for your child, it is very important that you receive the proper assessment. You need to know, does your child have an auditory processing problem? Is there a visual processing problem? Where do they stand academically compared to where they should be? How well does their brain and muscles of the body react? How well is their sense of balance, their timing and coordination? Are they able to remain focused? Are they behaving in a hyperactive state? And is the brain balanced, or is there a functional disconnection syndrome occurring where one side of the brain is functioning less than it should? Again, you need to keep in mind that the program I offer is unique and that it addresses the issue of brain imbalance, and the treatment process is individualized to address your child's specific needs. For further information regarding care for those with ADHD, learning disorders, autism, Asperger's syndrome, and much more, you can go to my website, www.drroypicard.com, or you can call my office at 586-726-9860 to schedule a free demonstration to learn more about this very special, unique approach. I hope that you found this information valuable, and please don't hesitate to call if I can be of any service to you. If you know of a parent who could benefit from this video, please pass this information on to them. I'm Dr. Roy Picard, and I wish you the very best.